Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're actually here in Downey with Street Queens. I have my car right here and we got the famous Black Widow Super right here. Pretty cool that he showed up. Actually, what's actually pretty cool is that he let my daughter be inside his Supra. So shout out to Black Supra for allowing my daughter to watch Baby Sharks on the phone. So say hi, mama.
Vlogging.
This guy vlogging over here. Hey man, I appreciate you letting my daughter stay in there for the time being.
Hi, Rat. She's driving the Supra.
Oh yeah.
She's rocking the Supra.
This is way faster than Daddy's car.
Oh, good girl.
Awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
No worries, dude. Anytime.
So tonight we are rocking branded, never rolling stock. And we have a bunch of merch that you guys need. We have hats, shirts, slaps, stickers, banners. Whatever you guys need, we got it. What's up, brother? How you guys doing?
Good, bro.
Awesome, bro. All right, and this is Pika, my loving, trying to kill me every single day wife.
Successful one day. I will.
Since day one, you've been trying to kill me with a peanut butter cookie.
Yes. For the past 7 years, and more to come.
So what's up? What do you have to say about branded?
It's actually a pretty good brand. Very all family. So need any gear, just come on out. Catch us at one of the meets, events. We'll hook you guys up.
All right, for sure. And I got my lovely blue Subaru today, rocking the Clutch SLC2s. So if you see my car tonight, make sure to tag me, say what's up. So tonight we're gonna go hunting for Subarus, see what we can find. All right, so I see my first victim out for tonight. And it's this pink STI. I wonder who it is.
Literally. No, that's literally.
From Street Queens, you got the NT03s, fully wrapped pink. And here's the owner. What's up? So what's your name and what's your Instagram name?
My name is Kimberly at Kimberly Turbo.
What do you like about your car?
Honestly everything, but I just really like how unique it is. Like in a crowd, it really stands out, and that was like the main goal for me in my build.
What do you hate about your Subaru?
Probably the gas mileage, because it's absolutely horrible.
With those $5 prices right now?
Yeah, exactly. I can't even afford to be driving the damn car. Like, it's horrible.
Subies are for poor people. The sick pink STI here in Downey. Guys, you guys better step up your game. I mean, I have a WRX, STI, shit, I'm falling behind. All right. All right. So, thank you again.
Thank you.
And I will see you later, and I'm gonna go hunt for more Subies, see what they say about their cars.
All right, for
Awesome.
sure.
See you later. Bye. Don't fucking hug me. Don't fucking. Ah, shit. What's up, Pino? How you doing? How you doing?
Fucking sunburned as shit.
Whatever. Where'd you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
The Puente show she was at earlier.
Oh, okay, for sure, for sure.
Orange County for a photo shoot, and now here.
Nice, nice.
So,
Cool,
just
cool,
trying
cool.
to stay awake.
Yeah, you look red as fuck. You look like a fucking tomato. So, while me over here is enjoying some baby sharks, I'm gonna take a little side note of looking at this beautiful Supra. If you guys don't know him, make sure you to follow him. He has his own channel on Instagram and YouTube. Got these meaty ass tires. My hand for comparison. Of course, rocking the 2JZ. He's not a guy to LS swap his freaking Supra. Oh my god, look at this massive ass turbo. That is huge. Still rocking the 2J. That's what's up. Really appreciate you stopping by. Got security over here. Hopefully it doesn't say anything. Really appreciate you stopping by at Branded Booth. Make sure to follow us at Subie Sluts on Instagram and YouTube. So make sure to check us out. Hey puppy. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, you like the camera. What's your name? You guys have a good night. So guys, how you guys doing? Alright, so let's go hunt for more Subies. Alright, so I got my second Subaru. Got the carbon fiber, mud flaps, got some wheels. Now what's really interesting about this car is this carbon fiber. It is laced with silver. I've never seen anything like it. This camera does not do justice. It just looks like a bunch of glitter right now. Don't even know. But he said it was from Saibon. Pretty sick car. So I don't know how it is over there in like the UK, Australia, but here in Cali, we get to model cars, but then we have to pay for it. You know, we really have to pay for those tickets, whatever tint. Oh no, you're all. You guys are good. You guys are good. You guys, your safety for the Mustang is more important, all right? I would have got it on tape if anything happened, all right? All right, so I had to go find the owner real quick. And what was your name again, bro?
My name's Chris.
And your Instagram?
It's Chris Avery, A-V-E-R-I-T-K.
Awesome, all right. So what do you like about your car?
I love the rumble, man.
The rumble?
That's how you gotta stick with the OG GD style.
And then also, you know, what do you don't like about your car?
I have a lot of issues with my tranny, actually.
The tranny? Is that the one that it's like glass? It's like a glass tranny, like the what they say about it, or no?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know. I actually did a swap on it. It's got the JDM swap on it.
Oh, okay. Okay, for sure. Sounds good. And it's a WRX or STI?
WRX.
WRX? Okay. 2006? All right, so I got this clean STI Hawkeye. Super clean. Here in the United States, California, everything is left-hand drive. Super rare to find it right-hand drive. Super clean. I don't think I see the owner anywhere. Pretty clean. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about this Subie. Let me know in the comments. Too late, it's already on video. What year is your car, bro? 04 WRX. And yours? What year? 03 WRX. Super clean.
I love how I have the tongue sticking out, which is my zip tie that I love because it annoys the crap out of people.
And no worries, if you check out mine, I just have one zip tie sticking from here. It looks like a fucking curb finder for some odd reason, like the old school fucking lowriders. But I just never got around cutting it, so.
Everyone was like, why don't you cut it?
Yeah.
I just wanted to annoy people. I'm waiting for that one person to have some kind of balls to go and just cut it for me.
And that one day, right?
So if someone cuts it, are you gonna like give them a prize or something?
No, I'm gonna put another one. Nah,
Fuck it.
Right now. You bitch. Bet.
Super clean. And I appreciate any Subaru that comes out and takes on the challenge and keeping them alive. All right, so what question do you want to have? What do you like about your car or what do you hate about your car?
I can do both.
All right, let's do both. So what do you like about your car, bro?
What I like about my car is...
Oh, and first of all, what's your name and Instagram?
My name is Matthew. My Instagram is that_legacy17.
Okay.
And what I like about this car is not a lot of them are around anymore. And one thing I do like the most is that it was my build and no one else has actually followed in my footsteps. The things I hate, like most people, it is a bug eye, but I grew to love it it is my car. I can't say I hate it.
Yeah.
But it does match that. It's my personality.
Yeah.
So like the loudness with all the stickers.
Oh, you actually did it?
Now-
Aw. He cut the zip tie.
It had to be done. But yeah, what I hate about it, like every other Subaru owner, the maintenance that it requires,
Yeah.
and how fragile the motor is. But hey, let's start with the beauty over there.
This beauty right here.
The dead carbon fiber?
The dead carbon fiber, yeah. It'll be back. It'll be back. All right, cool. So, tell me a little bit about your car. And then, first of all, what's your name and Instagram?
Alrighty, my name's Christopher. My Instagram is backwards so 80. Basically, that Instagram is for my other car, my 40SX. But what I like about this car is the boost, the daily look. Well, I'm going for the daily look right now, but somewhat modded look as well. I have big plans for this car. What I don't like,
dark windows.
what I don't like about this car is I've been dealing with this overheating problem for a while. I just think,
Dark windows.
oh my god, it's just the overheating problem. Like it's been nonstop. It'll get up to like 230 temperature when it shouldn't be. But when it's like cold, it stays under 170.
Okay, for sure. And I think I need to ask this question for any Subaru is, why did you buy a Subaru?
Honestly,
Yeah.
I bought it because of, like I always wanted a blow by.
Okay.
Ever since I was little, I seen a Subaru fly past me in my mom's car on the freeway, hitting like 100 something, and I was like, dude, I want one of those when I grow up. And now, here it is. I mean, it's a work in progress, but she'll get to the show car, like slash big boost where she's gonna be soon.
And then, you have any tips about like first-time buyers for Subaru owners?
Always check the coolant, the oil, basically those main things. What I didn't do, what kind of messed me up, was even if they say they did a tune-up, do the tune-up.
Yeah, they gotta show the paperwork, right? Especially with these cars.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. Awesome. All right. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
You guys have a good night.
You too.
So this meet is actually popping pretty well here in Downey for Street Queens. Got a lot of Civics, RSs, STs. Got a Subaru right here, another bug guy. Hopefully I could tag this guy in my channel. Left-hand drive. O2WX it. Got some RFP ones. Exhausts. It's always cool to see bug guys out here. You don't see too many. Let's go find another one. So this means actually cracking pretty good. They're doing raffles right here. This is something that I usually don't see raffles and giveaways at a car meet. But it's actually not too bad. We're still here at branded booth, never rolling stock. Even though my car is kind of stockish, but no one has to know. We'll keep that between me and you guys. I might pick up one of these hats. These are actually pretty cool. Daughter, what are you doing? Mia. And she actually has her Instagram. So that's on private. So if we don't know you personally, sorry guys, you guys can't follow her. Got some 6 slaps right here. Let's see what's up though. Cool, so we got a BRZ right here from Street Queens. Blacked out. It's good. We got a FRS. Also, Bear? Is that you? Long lost buddy? Is that you? So excited, my voice is cracking. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, I have to make my voice deeper now because I want to be like a little bitch, you know?
Okay, Batman.
Now I'm vlogging, so now I'm doing like Subaru vlogs and shit. So say what's up. This is the famous Ozzo Bear, old school.
Retired.
Not even retired, your freaking photos are still sick. Reagan, where's your car? Where's your Subaru at?
My Subaru? Okay.
I'm just kidding. He drives a Cadillac SV. Ooh, that fucking baller, fucking FedEx baller. This is his car right here. Freaking sick. Guys, give him a follow. Hi, Mama. Love you. Thank you. Say thank you.
She's like, yeah.
No. Right hand drives RX-7. Woo! Oh, picture time, picture time. So my daughter likes to actually take pictures with cars all the time. She doesn't know it's a video. Say hi, go hi. Love you. So this is my daughter. Alright guys, I am gonna call it a night. We're actually gonna start packing up right now. And alright, so we're actually gonna call it a night. It was actually pretty cool meet in Downey. So if you guys are in Downey, make sure to follow the Instagram for Street Queens. They actually have events like these ever so often. So, and then we're actually tomorrow, we're gonna be at the ARC movement tomorrow in Anaheim at K1 Speed. So if you guys are there, check it out. So I don't know actually when I'm gonna release this video, so I'm not too sure. And yeah, we're gonna end the night right here. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.
Damn, son, it's Major League Rock.